Hi folks, how are you all doing today? It's time for us to implement Gannet game. So Gannet game part 2. Cool. So we already have created this thing in the last session, I hope. Yeah. So we're gonna continue and we're gonna add few more features because I wasn't so satisfied with this game. So I wanted to improve it and yeah, let's do it, right? So we're gonna do that, however, right? But I will want to show you all guys that what all we have done so far, and yeah, this is a surprise for you that what exactly are we gonna do today? But yeah, this is the fact that you're gonna improve your Gannet game, right? I hope you all enjoyed creating this game, and we're gonna enjoy improving this game too, right? So let's get started with an upgrade on Gannet game, right? Yeah, cool. So let's quickly just, okay. So wherever I am, I'm just eating you. Isn't it? Okay, cool. So we're gonna just eat it all up, and that's why I've named it as Gannet. Gannet is something which is always hungry, right? So yeah, this is our game, and we're gonna update it today, right? Without any delay, let's get started. Okay. So now, what do you see? So what do we see in a game here, right? So it was just eating away all the fish, and yeah, fishes weren't running, right? So they weren't moving. They were just stagnant at one place, and oh my God, that's not a game, isn't it? So that's why we want our enemies to move away. Basically, this is the enemy here, and those were like they just have to run for their lives, correct? So now, how do we do that? Let's see. So when green flag clicked, we've actually done this thing, and when I start as a clone, it is actually doing this thing, right? So when it starts as a clone, okay, basically it is actually creating it only 20 times, right? After 20, nothing. It does nothing, right? So if you want to clone it again and again, even after eating up things, so yeah, you can consider doing that. Okay. So if you want to consider doing that, you would just make it like this. So you're just gonna get forever. Place it here, place this here. Just give wait zero point 0.1 seconds or zero point 0.5 seconds. So how fast you want your enemies to create themselves. So it all depends on you, right? So I'm just writing zero point 0.1. Now it's going to be a little different. Okay. So after creating the enemies, we were broadcasting start, and it's not possible right now. We have to broadcast start. When I receive start, it's gonna do this. Yeah, cool. Even this works out. No, so no worries. Let's quickly just see what is it doing. Cool. Yeah, it is actually doing the thing, but it is doing things forever, and it's gonna grow bigger, bigger, and bigger. Whoa. I really like it. It's getting giant. Oh my God. Cool. So this is absolutely a very big thing. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, this is something cool to look at, but not really practical, isn't it? It shouldn't grow this big for just few sprites, right? Yeah, in the last session, I think we've done this because to just see if it is picking up the thing and growing. So yeah, change size by I would say 0.5% for now. Okay, it's not gonna grow that fast, but yeah, definitely it grows bigger and bigger, so it's not gonna grow that fast. And So it is actually eating away all the things, basically. And if you want to count how many fish it is actually eating away, for that you need to have a score. So we're going to add score, however, okay. And you can see it is the population of fish is absolutely increasing and increasing, right? But still they aren't moving. Okay, so let's make them move first and then we'll add score. Okay, so to make it move, it's pretty simple. So when it starts as a clone, you've switched the costume, you've made it go to XY, right? After that you can make it move too, right? So move maybe like one step. Okay, and turn, let's say if on edge bounce. So let's give a very simple movement, right? It's not like a pretty hard thing or something like that. It's pretty simple. It just starts moving. Whenever it touches edge, it just bounces back. That's it. Okay, a pretty simple movement I'm just giving. Let's just check out if it does the thing. Yeah, yeah, now at least they're running for their lives. Okay, cool. They're moving in one particular direction now, right? So if you just want to make them move in different directions, so you would say what you would say. So you would set the direction of this to, let's say I will set it to 18. I think, yeah, 18. Okay. Let's see what happens. And yeah, they're moving in a different direction now. I think this is something cool to look at, and I like it. I like this movement. I like this rush. It looks like they're running away. They're running away. No, don't eat us. Don't eat us. So it's like that. Yeah, cool. So it's absolutely cool to look at this Gannet game now. Yeah. But yeah, this isn't enough, isn't it? So we need score. I'm greedy. I want to know how many fish I'm eating. So it's something like that. So I'm just gonna create score and let's say okay, we're gonna show it definitely because that's the proud moment in this game, right? I'm not encouraging any violence, and this is a disclaimer, okay? By the way, fine. Now, yeah, let's set the score to 0. Cool. Okay, and so if touching shark, you're broadcasting eat and also change score by 1. Cool. Yeah. So I hope this is gonna work. Let's quickly check it out if that works. You're all running away, and yeah, it works. Let's say if you've eaten up maybe 500 or yeah, 500 fish or something like that. I don't think it's drastically increasing, right? It's just like gradually increasing. Cool. Then we would say, let's just say if you eat up 500 fish, then you're gonna win and you're gonna go to next level. Maybe we can go to next level. After reaching 100, I'm gonna reset its size back to normal. So that's gonna pretty much it for for my next level is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so doing that would be pretty simple again. What you're gonna do? So you're keeping track of it now. So go to control if score. So we need operator score greater than. So score greater than 100 for now. I'm just keeping it 100 because 100 is easy for me to check right now. But yeah, you can give 500,000. It's all up to you. Okay. But yeah, a bigger number would actually make it more interesting because it's going to grow giant. And that's what Gannet game is all about. It's going to eat, 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 and grow, grow, grow. Cool. So yeah, if score is greater than 100, Now what are we gonna do? So if score is greater than 100, we're gonna set shark size, right? Let's say set, okay, I will broadcast new level. So new level. Okay. So if score is greater than 100, broadcast new level, right? So when I receive new level, set size to back to, I think we started it off uh, with 50 size. Okay, so let's set size to 50 back again, right? So let's also set score to 0. Okay, so that we are, again, it looks like we're actually starting it off again, right? Don't you think? Hmm. Let's see. Come on, I have to reach 100 this time. Only then I will be able to check. Let me just do it full screen so that you can enjoy the visuals. I really like it. And this shark, I actually found it so luckily that it actually has this eating costumes, basically, like similar to eating costumes, I found out. And this animation made it, whoa, it restarted again. Isn't that cool? Yes, this is gonna grow bigger, bigger, and bigger, 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 and bigger. And new level is gonna come up again and again and again, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's gonna work, and it is actually working, right? But there should be some end. Don't you think there should be some end where game is actually ending? And yeah, I hope so. There should be something which ends your game like that. Or maybe it has to minimize this sprite creation. It is actually growing rapidly, and it looks like there are so many fishes on the in the pool here, right? Actually, this is not a pool. I think this is something like a ocean or something like that. But whatever we wanted to do so far is absolutely working fine, right? But I'm just gonna do small changes over here. Like I'm waiting zero point 0.1 seconds, right? I would say, let's say for every 1 second, is it gonna create it? Oh my God, that's gonna be too much of time, don't you think? So in that case, zero point 0.1, zero point 0.5, um, a nominal amount of thing gap. Yeah, it's gonna grow slower now, and it's not gonna be that rapid, I would say. Until and unless you eat it, they doesn't go away from screen, isn't it? So if you want to make or create new fishes, okay, what you're just gonna do is basically when they touch edge, if you wanna delete the thing, yeah, you can absolutely do that. If they are touching edge, you can delete it and create a new one in that place. That's okay, isn't it? Because however we're rapidly creating them, okay, so that wouldn't make your game lag after maybe after an hour or so, yeah. So that's why what I'm just doing is when okay, if touching edge, so I will say it here, if touching edge, if touching edge, delete the clone. Okay, this is just to make sure that it's not lagging too much after playing for some time, right? It's going to have its balance right now. Okay, so yeah, and we have to end this game properly. However, this is going to work, so it's okay. And yeah, so how to end it, I just want to know, let's say after, I think, um, I think I'm not sure how to end this game basically. There are so many ways of ending the game, right? After some time, you can actually show end card, so that would work. Or after 100 points, I'm gonna give him a giant fish. Okay, so they're gonna fight with each other and they're gonna end the game like that. Yeah, I think that's gonna be cool, but fighting and all, let's see. How are we gonna create it? I just have a vague idea right now, but let's see if I can do it. Yeah. So now when score reaches 100, we're broadcasting new level, correct? So when I receive new level, we're not going to reset its size or we're not going to set its score to 0. Okay. So then what are we going to do? So we're going to do something like this. We're going to create a giant fish. So basically, so I'm not going to do it over here. Let's place it over here. Yeah, here. I'm just gonna set size to 200% and I will delete all other fishes. Okay, I think I would just do this. I will broadcast new level. Okay, when I receive new level, I'm gonna set size to 200% and I'm just gonna remove this for now. So after setting its size to 200%, right, I'm gonna delete all the clones and I just have to stop looping this basically. So to stop looping, stop all. Let's see what is happening right now and we'll get to conclusion after that. So yes, I hope now you're able to see this. They're actually getting deleted if they're touching edge. So it's going to be very slow right now, and the drastic increase and all. Yeah, so that's not gonna happen in some time or in a very less time, I should say. This is so good. I really like this animation. Oh my god. Waiting for 100 is like, oh my god. It's a tough task. It's a tough task, my dear. My god. I think this is enough. We shouldn't do any other thing on this because it's so satisfying and it's so cool to play. I'm just gonna enjoy. I'm really, I'm literally enjoying this game right now, and it's just so satisfying to do this. So I'm just enjoying it like that. I know it's very slow, but yeah, it just feels like I just have to play the game. It's really okay. It's gonna be okay. It feels like it's gonna be okay. Cool, isn't it? Whatever is getting created, it's like it's too giant. That's it. I think this is a chop idea. Okay, chop it off then. This was cool. I like this thing. And yeah, I'm not gonna end this game, I think. Okay, I have a better plan. So, okay, I'm gonna add in another if conditional statement here. So we're gonna add another flag variable. Let's say I'm just renaming it as flag. Okay, so set flag to, come on, set flag to 0, isn't it? Hmm. Okay. So after 5 times, I mean 500 points, right? We're gonna end the game. Okay. So broadcast new level. So yeah, cool. Let's put greater than sign if flag is greater than 5. Okay. Then we're broadcasting new level is not gonna happen. Just placing it here. So stop all, end the game basically. So stop all. And I'm going to broadcast the new message here saying game over. So I would say game over. Okay. For now, I'm just like for ease, I'm going to do it like 2 times. Okay. And I'm also increasing the speed of this because, yeah, just to make the video length shorter. If not, it's so satisfying to play. I must say this. So this was actually 20, I think. So not 20, maybe 15. Cool. Okay. So yeah, if flag is greater than 2, then we're broadcasting game over and stop all. Let's suppose if flag is not greater than 2, then it's gonna broadcast new level. But how are we gonna say that flag is increasing till 2? Yeah. So for that, I have a plan. We have to change flag variable by 1 before broadcasting it. That's it, isn't it? Cool. So now let's save it and let's check it out. Go here, go here. Yeah, it's gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick, 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 quick. Come on. The rapid creation would make it eat away 100 fish very easily. Just gonna rotate over and over, over and over to get this, get these. Cool. I'm just enjoying this game. It's so cool. I mean, I don't know why I really enjoy this, doing this. It's like cool. It's yeah, pretty cool. Okay. So it just stopped everything. I think we got okay. So we gotta create a backdrop basically. Then to display that backdrop, I'm just gonna paint it. Let's go to backdrops and paint it. Let's say I'm gonna fill some color. Fill, I think I like some ocean blue kind of a thing, maybe a little lighter. I don't know. I want this color maybe. A very dull color. I don't like it. Maybe this. Hmm. Okay. Let's get a gradient background. Why not? Right. So, okay. I think I like this thing. Yeah, this seems good. And let's convert it to vector. And I'm going to type text on this. So I'm just going to use pixel. I like this. And let's change color to red because this is game over. So your game is over. A bloody red. Okay. So yeah, game over. Cool. Let's click on this. Yeah, let's increase. Yeah, just gonna bring it in here. Yeah, this is fine. And yeah, let's go to code. And in Shark, when this thing starts off, I'm gonna switch backdrop to underwater. It was like to always started off from this backdrop, right? And we're gonna switch backdrop, isn't it? So broadcast game over, and before it, just switch backdrop to backdrop one. I would say let's stop it and start it off again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is gonna be the last time I'm gonna execute this because I hope this time it actually works fine and everything is already going well, pretty well. Let's see. Did I just set flag to 0? Yeah. What is it really slow? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Game over. Cool. Fine. So this is all about our today's session, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session, and we've created a very small game. I know, but it's so cool, isn't it? Eating away all of them. Yeah. So this is all about organic game, and yeah, I will meet you all in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to share my link in the description box below. Do check it out and do share your themes and what all your creation is. You can share it with me, and I would look forward to see all of it. And yeah, so this is all. This is all for today. I'm going to just end it up here. And if you have any ideas for me, so yeah, you can absolutely suggest them in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all.